catch 'em all.
Hello everybody, it's me again, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add like a link to a channel, certain channels that you will see if you visit my channel and go to the about page, and then you'll see the link. So yeah, I think that's basically it. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so we're here in Google, and then you just want to go to YouTube, and then you'll find this page if you're on your computer, and I think this is only for computer. It's probably going to be much easier. So yeah, you just want to go to your icon at the top right there, and then click on your channel, and then you want to go to the customized channel, or one, yeah, I think, no, first actually you go to your about page, and then you go to customize channel, and yeah, once you go to customize channel, you can edit these links. You see the links that I have down below, the blue ones? See, now I've pressed customize channel, and now these links will be here, and there's a little pen right at the top right of this area here, and you want to click on that, and you'll be had nothing if you don't have any yet, and it will just say add. And what you want to do is just press the add button, and then you can put the name or what name you want to appear of your friend or the channel you're recommending. You just want to put it there. My voice is yeah, you just want to put it there, and then you'll go to that channel, find it, and then you paste their link into the place at the right, and then then you're finished really, and then you click done or something, yeah, and or you just click off or something. Editor Me will tell you what to do, and yeah, you're done.